Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're starting with essentials. Verify the modem and router are powered, cables seated, and LEDs show normal status. This rules out simple hardware faults. Next, reboot the modem then the router, waiting 60-90 seconds between each. This clears caches and reestablishes DHCP leases. Once done, connect one test device close to the router and enable Wi-Fi diagnostics or Explorer tools so you can measure signal, channel, and noise. Make sure to note SSID and password before changing settings. Now focus on measurable differences. Run a speed test wired to the router and then on Wi-Fi. If wired is stable, the issue is wireless. Scan nearby networks to see channel overlap on 2. 4 GHz, pick an uncrowded channel, 1, 6, or 11, and on 5 GHz choose a clean wide channel, change and retest. Also update router firmware, then update your device Wi-Fi drivers and power settings. These fixes often resolve intermittent drops caused by software or firmware bugs. Finish by optimizing placement and topology. Move the router to a central, elevated spot away from microwaves and thick walls because physical obstructions weaken signal. If one router can't cover your space, add a mesh node or access point and configure Co-S to prioritize video and conferencing traffic so drops matter less. If instability persists after changes, backup settings, and perform a factory reset, then reapply minimal settings. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent issues continue, test with a single.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.